In this video, we'll show you how to install Plus Series aluminum roof side rails on a Volkswagen ID Buzz long wheelbase. These vehicle-specific rails offer a secure, custom fit with a simple no-drill installation. Let's get started. Insert the bases into the rails. Remove the caps covering the fixing points. Insert the correct rubber bases beneath the roof rails, making sure they align with the fixing point holes. Begin tightening from the middle fixing point. Insert the bolt and tighten it lightly. But do not fully tighten it yet, as some flexibility is needed for alignment. Then, begin tightening the rear fixing point of the rail. The front may appear raised before tightening. Apply light downward pressure, align the fixing point, then insert and tighten the bolt. The aluminum rail is flexible, so this is normal. Now, fully tighten all the bolts. Place the caps over the fixing points. Hold the rail and shake it firmly. If the rail stays secure and the vehicle moves with it, the installation is solid. The installation is now complete. Make sure all bolts are fully tightened before driving. You can shop these Volkswagen ID Buzz roof side rails at powauto.com. A complete kit with matching roof rack crossbars is also available, as shown here on the fully installed vehicle. Thanks for watching.